I never imagined I'd find myself in a place like Berg, a rugged land so far off the map it might as well be a map. The air is crisp, the water is clean, and the views are nothing to complain about. But beneath this peace lurks a challenge that defines us. I've grown up hearing the tales.
You see, most places have mice or mosquitoes. We have dragons.
Most would fairly, but not us. We're Viking, forged in the heat of battle, our spirits unyielding. I feel the weight of the legacy every day, pushing me to stand taller.
Most people would leave. Not us. We're Vikings. We don't run from fights, we start them.
My days are dense with danger, often stumbling into trouble. My father stoic the West leads we strangeth admire, yet I struggle to find my place beside him.
Evening! I will just as soon as I.
You're in the way! Again!
Dragons are a bit of a problem, a constant shadow over our lives. We've taken the fight to them, but victory feels distant. I wonder if there's another way.
You see, dragons have been a bit of a problem, so we decided to take the fight to them. How's that working out for us?
Under Gover's watchful eye, I've learned to craft and fight, though I'm not supposed to be out here. His gruff guidance keeps me grounded, a mentor in this wild world.
Oh, out again? Again? Not even here. Ah, come on, please.
The meathead with attitude and interchangeable hands is Gobber.
The Fire Brigade Berg's cool kids thrive in the chaos, but they are nothing without Astrid, the shining star of our generation. Her presence ignites a spark in me to rise above.
Ah, the Fire Brigade. Burke's cool kids. The shining star of our generation. Amazing, without even trying.
The call to prove myself grows louder. My father's legacy looms, and I know I need to step out to find my own strength amidst the dragon's roars.
Shouldn't you be in bed?
Come on, back to work.
You know, I need to get out there.
This is my journey, a quest for courage in a land of fire and steel. If this story has gripped you, subscribe, leave a comment, and join me next time as I face the unknown together with you.